Hi guys, today we're talking about weight. Weight is how heavy an object is. So anytime we're using measurements, remember there are two systems. There's the metric system and the customary system. The metric system is a base 10 system and used almost everywhere else in the world except in the United States, Liberia, and another little country. So the metric system has several measurements that you can put a prefix on the beginning of the measurement and change the size. So we're going to be talking about weight today, and when we talk about the metric system, they use the word mass to explain heaviness. So the first measurement I'm going to give you is milligrams. So this is just salt, and if you look on this napkin, these little bitty grains here, one of these is a milligram. That's how heavy a milligram is. The basic unit for measurement of mass, of how heavy something is in the metric system, is a gram. So a paper clip is a gram. So then we can add onto gram to find different units that are smaller or larger. The largest unit that we're going to be using is a kilogram, and that is like the size of your iPad. This is about a kilogram of weight, mass, or heaviness. Okay? And so sometimes you have to change the unit that you're working with when you're talking about mass or weight. And to do that, remember, we use conversion charts. Now, we have these in our math notebook at school, but unfortunately those are still at school. So remember, when we're changing and converting these, we use this kind of like a little road map. So if I need to change from milligrams, which are these little granules of salt, if I need to add all these together to find out how many of these would make a gram, which is the paper clip, okay, I would divide by 1,000. So if I had 2,000 milligrams of salt, or 2,000 little grains of salt, and I wanted to find how heavy that was in grams, I would divide that by 1,000. So I would just find my little milligrams over here, and I'd use this like a little road map and stop and do the mathematical equation on my way. So if I had 2,000 little granules of salt, which would be 2,000 milligrams, and I divided it by 1,000, I would get grams. And that would give me 2 grams. So it works like that on the whole entire conversion chart. If I need to go to grams to milligrams, and I had 2,000 paper clips, and I wanted to see how many milligrams of paper clips that was, I could just multiply that by 1,000 to find out how many. Okay? The customary measurements are tons, pounds, and ounces. So 1 ton is about the same as a compact car, like a Nissan or a Mazda, and a pound is the same as like a water bottle. If you look at your water bottles at home, you can see that they have 16.9 fluid ounces, so this is almost a pound. It's almost a pound heavy. And then a AA battery is about the same weight as an ounce. Okay, so this is an ounce heavy. It can also be converted. Okay, so I can convert ounces to pounds and pounds to tons, tons to pounds, and pounds to ounces by just using my conversion charts. Now, if we were in class, we would take these 2 conversion charts and memorize them, and then have conversion chart races to see who could remember it the fastest, write down the whole entire chart, because you can use these on into adulthood to help you convert these units. So I just wanted to let you know that this is how we do weight and mass if we're talking about the metric system, and have a good day. Okay, I miss you. Hope to see you soon.